Next, I'm going to show you the image library tool. So in the tools section here on the left-hand side, you can go to image library. In this tool, you can get access to basically hundreds of thousands of images from Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, as well as like just thousands of icons from Icon Finder. Now, when you first come here and try to use the tool, you'll see it will not work. You have to enter in your API key for each corresponding service. But don't worry, it's 100% free. You don't have to pay anything at all to use those APIs. So it'll automatically bring up the settings window, but I'll show you how to do it as well. From here, you just click on settings and it'll bring it up, and you want to click on image API key. So let's go ahead and get each of these API keys really quick. Let's do Pexels. So all you have to do is click on get API key here. So we'll click there. It'll take us right to Pexels. Now, it just automatically logged into my account. What you have to do there is if you don't have an account, you want to go ahead and create one. It's very, very simple. So if I log out, you'll see join. And here you just want to download. So you just click here, you want to download, and then you can sign up through Apple, Google, or Facebook, whatever you prefer. And so once you get into your account, what you want to do is click this drop down here and go to Image and Video API. Click there. Then you want to click on your API key. And then right here, this is my API key. So all you have to do is just select this and right click and copy. And then go back in here and you hit the paste button to put it in there, and you're good to go. So now let's go to the Pixabay. Click that one. Again, you want to join. Click join here if you want to join, or just log in. So I'm just going to log into my account. Now that link that I clicked in the software went automatically to the proper place to get your API key. But if you just signed up and created a new account, I'll show you how to get there. All you got to do is, say if you're in my profile, all you have to do is just click here. Sorry, not there. Scroll down to the bottom. You'll see API. You click there, and then click Get Started, View API Documentation, and then it takes you to this proper location here. And all you do is just scroll down a little bit until you see this green box here. This is your API key. So I'm going to grab that and just go Control-C on my keyboard to copy it, and then I'll just paste it to Pixabay. So next, let's go get our Unsplash API key. So click here, and you're going to have to join up if you don't have Unsplash, but I already do, so I'm going to log into my account. Now, once you've logged in, you want to select up here and go Developers/API, and then at the top, you want to click Your Apps. And you can see here that I've already created my application for Script Atlas, but let's just do it again to show you how it's done. So I'm going to go and click New Application. And you got to select these checkboxes and accept terms. Let's give it a name. You can just type in Script Atlas, but I already have that there, so I'll put Script Atlas 2 software that creates AI content and images, or just AI content. Good enough. Create application. Okay. And this will be your application page. Now, I do want to say that this is rate limited, so you can only do like 5,000 requests per hour, which is really high. So that's like searching in that tool 5,000 times an hour. That's pretty tough to obtain, so you should be okay with the, not going over these request limit. Now you scroll down, just leave everything as is, and you'll come to your access key here. So there's access key and secret key. You don't need the secret key, just grab the access key. So I'm going to select it, Control-C, and then come down and paste it into here. Okay, now the final one, let's go to Icon Finder by clicking this link, take you right over. Again, sign up if you don't have an account. I'm going to sign in. All right, so we go here click your name and go to Profile Details, and then click on API Keys. And now, similar to what we had to do there in Unsplash, you got to create an application. So you register a new application right here. See, I've already done it, but I'll do it again. And once you do create your application, you see the API key is right here. But I'll just show you how to do it. So let's make a application name. You can call it Script Atlas. Oops. And for the website, just put my link there, https appbreed.com, or your website if you want. You don't need this and you don't need this. And down here, you got to put an asterisk. As you can see in this little content here, set this to asterisk to allow all. So just put your mouse there. To do the asterisk on your keyboard, on Windows anyways, is you just want to go Shift 8. Now, if you don't, another way to do that, you can actually just copy it right from here. Control C, Control V. Anyhow, then you register your application, and here's the API key. So we go ahead and grab it. Again, select it, Control C, then paste it in here. And once you're all done, click Apply. And now, when we go to Tools and Image Library, let's try Pexels now. And it's working great. And Pixabay, you can see you can stop the downloading if you want up here. Unsplash. And Icon Finder. Let's see if it has AI logos. There we go. So pretty cool. And so to use this tool is pretty self-explanatory. Basically, if you want to get this image, you can do a bunch of things. You can download it to your computer as medium, small, medium, or large. You can insert it into the script editor or the image editor, or when you select an image, you can right-click, insert in the script editor, whichever size you want, insert in the image editor, whichever size, download to your computer. Basically, that's all I really use, is just a right-click. Now, if you want more images, you can see it only gave you 40 images. You click more, and it'll go and grab some more images for you. So now we can right-click, and let's say insert the medium into the script editor. As you can see here, it was my window was hiding in the background there. Let's try this one, script editor, medium. If we want to go into the image editor, it goes into the image editor. You can also, inside the script editor, if you want to edit, you just double click any image, it brings it right into the image editor. So that's kind of handy. And it's the same with all the other ones. If I want to insert into the script editor from here, or an icon. Very simple to use. So then now you have access to basically millions of images. I think there's like millions all combined together in here. So it's just basically endless amount of images that you're allowed to commercially use within all of your content. So that's how you use the image library and get access to all the APIs. Like I said, everything's free. You don't have to pay anything to use any of these images or access to those accounts. Obviously, they do have paid levels, I believe, but there's no need to use them, the paid levels, if you don't want to, and just use what they give you, the images they allow you to take through the API. So that's everything in this video. Thanks for watching.